get on the live. Yeah, share it with your friends. Tag them. Tell them Gustavo is on your screens, man. Yeah. We're about to start. So the first song I'm gonna do is called Hefe. It's the intro to my project. Yeah, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. 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 Ready. Gustavo, Gustavo. Let's get it. You killed my life, man. Living so safe. I lost my first baby mama again. I made her cry. She thought I would cry. In the 2020, man, I had to say bye. Well, it's back to the grind now. That shit on my mind now. You don't pay your eyes, don't you know love is blind? Forgive and forget, they don't go with my kind. We soulless people, we roaming around. Mama saw doctors, but mama still died. My heart went cold like the end of July. Wanted to cry, everything was alive. Who thought my daughters would see daddy cry? And Luma said, daddy, things will be alright. You know you my hero and heroes alive. So go on and show them my daddy can fight. I hated the preacher, hated the family, hated the reaper, hated hearing my own voice on the speakers. Going with daughter, needed some healers. I needed weed, so I called up my dealers. Yeah, Gustavo in the building, man.
Bravo!
To relaxation. Hefe.
Gustavo is in the building. Doing things for the nation.
I'm in the building, man.
That's what's up.
Gustavo. This one is called Hefe Intro. Design of a band but Johnny Line.
Let's also shoot, Baba.
Yeah, man.
Call your friend to call your friend. Baba.
Yeah, man. So, second song is called Mama. This song is dedicated to my mama, man. Rest in peace. Miss you. Yeah. So the next one is called Mama. For my queen, man. Yeah. Yeah. You still got your mama, man. And a hug and tell you love you. On the way. Please tell me that you're on the way, mama. I've been needing you and I still miss you till this day. You know I still smoke away the pain, and I'm never sleeping just to see another day. Hey, please tell me that you're on the way, mama. I've been needing you and I still miss you till this day. You know I still smoke away the pain, and I'm never sleeping just to see another day. Mama, miss you, yeah. Still got issues, yeah. You know I be crying, mama, I can teach you, yeah. Mama, miss you, yeah. Still got issues, yeah. You know I be crying, mama, I can teach you, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Mama, I hope you hear me when I talk, yeah. Took the sun when you left it so dark, yeah. My baby sister changed, you broke her heart, yeah. And my baby brother Jake, you also broke me when you died. So many nights I cried. My heart was full of pain. I had some issues deep inside. Missing all the days we would ride on the highway. Used to be around, mama, if I had it my way. You saved me when I was stuck in Zimbabwe. What would I be, mama, without your loving? I'll be nothing, but look at me, I'm something. Every night I pray, hoping that you told me. Hey, please tell me that you on the way, mama. I've been needing you and I still miss you till this day. You know I still smoke away the pain, and I'm never sleeping just to see another day. Please tell me that you on the way, mama. I've been needing you and I still miss you till this day. You know I still smoke away the pain. And I'm never sleeping just to see another day. Mama miss you, yeah. Still got issues, yeah. You know I've been crying, mama, I need tissue, yeah. Mama miss you, yeah. Still got issues, yeah. You know I've been crying, mama, I need tissue, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Gustavo!
Shout out to my mom, man. Love you, mom. Everything I am today because of you. Yeah, man, and life hasn't been the same since you've been gone. I love you, though. Yeah, man, that one was called Mama. Dedicated to my mama, like I said. Yeah. So the next one is called Free at Last. Free at last, nigga. Let me show you that I'm a rapping ass nigga. Get it. Hey, let's go. Hey, free at last. Free at last, finally got some checks, ending my respect. Free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. Free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. Free at last, finally got some checks. Hey, ain't I drop CDs, I don't drop sneakers. Shit, I pull out, it's still running the city. I'm paying thousands, ain't got it for me. Cruising the hood, I'm paying no fees. Real nigga, me, let me move and speed it. Know the extra 5 years, I'm a feeling. Girls, I'm dog. Planet fitness, I don't go my Jimmy. All of y'all feeling rapping, you know I wanna feeling and running. 2020 vision on it. All this boss, I'm just going to prison. Got a felony with a family. Black Stein there for the melody. Man, I need a lean, please, I'm felony. Big time, getting sad, 17. Big dog, they ain't no case closed. Last time I PS, I value. Change clothes, change slow, I can't with my niggas, but value. Gonga Vantona Bazali. Gonga no mama. Look at my like Mount Zamile. Now I'm free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. I'm free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. I'm free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. Free at last, finally got some checks, I'm ending my respect. Free at last.
That's what's up. It's Gustavo, my boy.
Free at last, finally got some checks, ending my respect, man.
That's what's up.
Gustavo, go check out my tape.
Where to man?
Abachabule listening session,
You know,
live session actually.
that's what's up.
Come check out the Abachabule store, man. Dope clothing, as you can see, I'm looking fresh as fuck.
I'm where to
You know,
man?
Gustavo. Next song I'm gonna do is called M.O.B. Money Over Bitches. M.O.B. Go check out the tape. I feature Tank on this song, man. So if you want to check out the full song, check out my page. Check out the link of the tape, Hefe. Rock with the tape, man. You want to love it, I swear. Let's get it. M.O.B. Hey! I really love this jam, man. So chilled, so vibey and different. You know? Yeah, M.O.B. Money over bitches. Hey, Gustavo. Hey, we don't like it, bitch. We want money over the bitches. They want liquor on some rich. Look, your money shorter than a bitch. Hey, lip, rich. We don't like it, bitch. We want money over the bitch. Your money shorter than some rich. Hey, your money shorter than a bitch. Hey, rich. Hey, we don't like it, bitch. We want money over the bitch. Let's get it. I want my money, no dollar. Wanna stack out my wallet. Wanna ball out of budget. Looking more than Noogie Cotton. With the hood boy and talking. Fuck shit up like I'm Joe Biden. Call me Joe Biden, my bro. I don't like my Vado and running. But I'm running shit now. I fuck up and down. Baby, on my mama, let me get $20. Then baby on the street, I will run up the town. So they grease on my niggas, I let them dollars. Still a bloody mess. When in the pool, it's always a bloody mess. Hoping next, we don't deserve to die. It's not the next. First, best clothes like rubber necks. still in the race I'm doing. Let us sip on Moretto. We got in like the devil. You know the time is money, so I spend my stack on the bezel. Penny haze with the strokes, at night I'm getting a medal. You know what time is money over with that money over bitch. We want money over the bitch. They don't want liquor, I want some riches. Hey, your money shorter than a bitch. Hey, Nick, bitch. We don't like the bitch. We want money over the bitches. They want liquor, I want some riches. Hey, nigga. Hey, nigga. Riches. We don't like the bitches. We want money over the bitches. Hey. Gustavo, man.
Gustavo.
Gustavo, man.
What's
I want my money, no dollies. Wanna stack up my wallet, wanna roll out a budget, dripping orang Logi Garden. In the hood with the hood boy, it's having fuck shit up like I'm Joe Budden. Call me my Vado, my bravado, like my Vado and running. But I'm running shit now. I fuck up in now. Blame it on my mama, let the ends why down. Then blame it on the streets, how I run up the town. So they greedy, so my niggas are gone. Let's get it, man. Gustavo, Hefe. You're ready, man. The next song is a song I dropped last year, December. It's the first single from the tape. Oi. Yeah, man, it's called Fanny Pack. Fanny Pack, and featuring Chivaras. Jaya Masekasi, you know. Shout out to LSC, shout out to the gang. Fanny Pack, this is my first song to play on Metro FM. After trying to play on Metro FM for the past 5 years, man. So finally, they played a nigga, man. They couldn't deny me, man. So Fanny Pack, let's get it. I know a lot of y'all fuck with the song. Hey. Hey. Y'all ready? Hey. I don't even have a Fanny Pack on, man, but let's get it. Hey. These girls, they love how I'm flowing on the beat. She puts my dick in on my songs, both on repeat. 100 Ubus when we roaming in the streets. It's for the seafood, but we trapping for the kids. For that one in the sea, the feeling and the singing of a sea. Smokes in the Fanny Pack. Hands on my ready. Gustavo, the CEO in the who, my niggas fucking CDOs. I don't need me those. I just need me close up and go when I roll. Then I smoke dope till tomorrow. Fuck Christ in the truth, I'm late on 100 times nice if I do this sort of gone life. Play I like it. Weak doors, so jabber man. There's a suicide on the motherland. Come chill us. On the other hand, cop a double laugh for my brother man. Look sour well. A big band with some rubber bands. Do the long life to the bloody can. On my mama bed to the cause it's young soldiers walk out on my bed. They don't know nothing about the devil's plan. Check this many man. I'm above them on the trees and you said that. Riders walking talking to the Uber man. My delivery like a scooter man. You can call me Buddha man. Holy Trinity say I'm the ruling clan. Buddha man. These girls they love how I'm flowing on the beat. She puts my dick in on my songs both on repeat. 100 rules when we roaming on the streets. It's LSC for down, we trapping for the kids. For the sea, the feeling and the singing on my seed. Smokes in the Fanny Pack. Hands on my ready. These girls, they love how I'm flowing on the beat. She puts my dick in on my songs for on repeat. 100 Ubers when we roaming in the streets. It's all for dog, we trapping for the kids. Hey, my pee. For that one in the sea, the feeling on my sleeve. Smokes in the Fanny Pack. And I'm a ready made. Gustavo, man. Shout out to my nigga Chivaras. Shout out to the gang, LSD, man. 411. We're killing shit. Hefe. Hope y'all are enjoying the music.
We are happy.
The next one is called No Price Tags, man. I'm featuring a nigga of mine, Ashley. Shout out to the boy, man. He's killing beats. He's killing hooks, man. Yeah, it's one of my favorite as well, man. I love this one. Yeah, let's get it. Hey, you ready? I'm ready. Hey. Hey. This song is about trip, man. Love trip. Check it out. Hey.
Now all my niggas hit the trick shop. You can never find a strip in here tomorrow. Find me online, no stress, I can trick bitch. You can never find what I'm wearing in the 60s. Check my drip page. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit, yeah. Hey, check my drip page. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit, yeah. Hey, check my drip page. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit, yeah. Check my drip page. Ain't no price tag, but listen. It's no rain, bitch. Inna makenge wami eskipa la manzi. Mama sula tolisti no motata machanti. Spiritual teacher look at the physical tansi. Inside to the rock, but still the rock and the fancy. Fuck with me, then you see the puppies and dancing. Don't mind telling my dogs to bring that bomb shit. Gustavo, if my bitch you show up, it will be a stampede. Full of kilo, let's meet up and have some lunch cook. The stress and back to the street and moon. Keep fresh, I work your bodies like I'm zombie. Keep your body shaking up, it's very grumpy. Do the man, the streets that fell out. Like Chalet, call us like, but I ain't never looking plain. I'm the guy, she the bitch that call me name. Lady, you don't get the picture, we just copy out the frame. Hey, all my niggas hit the G-shot. You can never find this trophy, never know. Find me online, no stress, I agree, bitch. What I'm wearing in the 16, check my drip bag. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit, hey. Check my drip bag. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit. Check my drip bag. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit. Yeah. Check my drip bag. Ain't no price tag, but I'm still lit. Shout out to my nigga Ashley, man. Love this song. No price tag.
I see fire emojis, I see them there, I see fire emojis there from Daniel Kids. It's hot in the store.
Yeah, man. Dope.
Don't press my
Love this song, man.
Don't press my door.
It's no rain, bitch. Inna makenge wami eskipa la manzi. Mama sula tolisti, mama tata machansi. Spiritual dito, lukansi, pezu gotansi. Inside to the rock, but still the rock and the fancy. Fuck with me, then you see the poppies and dancing. Call up on my telly dogs to bring that bomb shit, Gustavo. If my bitch show up, you would be a stampede. Call up kilo, let's meet up and have some lunch quick. Distressed and go back to the street, up to run shit. Looking fresh, how I keep at this, how I'm plumb big. Need your shorty shaking up and body crumping. Do the math, this crystal clear that I'm a smooth operator. Like Chalet, caught a fight, but I ain't never looking plain. I'm the dash in the mix, they call me Dane. And if you don't get the picture, we just crop you up the frame. Gustavo, man.
Gustavo, that's.
I'm gonna hit you with the last song, man. One of my favorites. Eastside. Dropping a music video for this one soon. It's the first song that's gonna have a music video. Already shot. Working on it, man. It's gonna drop soon. Let's get it. Hey, shout out to everybody who showed me love on this tape. Everybody who's worked on it. Shout out to all the little niggas I work with. Inside, this song is for East, man. Let's get it. Make them love me when I'm on the beat. See some for these hoes like I'm a lead. No, you gotta leash up, but I got the key. Throw some gang signs when you see me on the street. When you see me, know I came straight off the east. East side, 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 east side. Let's go. Let's go, fresh all day, on my way up. Me and my niggas gon' smoke all day. Puff, puff, puff that. Holy man, I run the hood up, but they know me, Gustavo. In the hood, busy chopping and talking Ricardo. Para on the beat, cuddling, nothing regado. Who going for me? You like Manado, bed on the street, call him El Chapo. You feeling niggas, man, fuck up Picasso. Fake change, you stock off the Brazzo. I'm in the cut, branding like Fazzo. MOB, you should talk some. Make my Sambro, Sembro Capasso. I paid up, you like my muscle. Man, I'm the shit, fill up the A-hole. Working to better the payroll. So I'm making some bags. With no regrets, send myself to a peso. So I'm back to the bank. Then I get on my knees and say thanks. Then I ran to the stores. Then I get on the stage and I dance. 6 songs for these hoes like I'm a lead. No, you gotta leash your but I got the key. Throw some gang signs when you see me on the street. When you see me, know I came to the east. East side, east side.